Well, the first tip that I give people in couples is that communication needs to be understood and defined. And the way that I define it in this work, and quite often helps couples and individuals understand it better, is communication is everything you say and do and what your partner takes away from that. And your partner's going to take a whole lot of meaning from everything that you say, do, and don't do, and they're going to take their own meaning from it. So communication is just everything that's happening and that you're doing and not doing, and what your partner takes away. If we want to be great at communication, then we have to get great at translation. We have to get great at understanding perception. So if I say something to you and I mean it with an intention of care and love, but you seem offended, then communication is not working, is it? Then if I want to be better at communication, I might pause and ask you, well, what do you think I said there? Right? I want to get better at translating the way that your brain takes in what I'm saying, doing, and not doing. And by being better at understanding what's happening in my partner's brain and how they're perceiving and translating, then the better I can adjust, modify, and correct and adjust anything that I say and do to make sure that my intention meets the meaning that you will make out of it. Great communicators, we work really hard to make sure that what's in here matches what's going to be in there for you. And if I want to be a great communicator, I'm going to do the work necessary to get good at learning your language code. And everybody has kind of a different thing going on, right? I mean, you've got different genders, you've got different ages, different places, different family structures. So if I say something to you, you're not certainly going to take it in the way that I think everyone takes it, because I've got a particular history and orientation and life experience that you don't. So getting great at communication is getting great at translation.